Hey everyone, welcome to the XRP market analysis for the 28th of April 2026. Let's see what's been happening today, shall we? Oh, before we start, this video is based on an AI-generated report, so please use it as reference only. And remember, investing is always your own responsibility. All right, let's dive into what's happening with XRP right now. XRP is currently trading at $1.3993, and well, it's down minus 2.21% in the last 24 hours. Now, you know what I've noticed? The trading volume is actually quite healthy at over 73 million XRP. That tells me people are still actively trading, which is a good sign for market interest. Here's the thing about the technical indicators. They're giving us some mixed signals, but let me break it down for you. The RSI is sitting at 56.75, which is right in that neutral zone with a tiny bullish lean. The MACD is at 0.0170, staying above the signal line at 0.0134, so that's maintaining some upward momentum. Now this is interesting. The current price is sitting right at the Bollinger Band middle line at $1.3990. That's what I call a critical decision point. The price could go either way from here. You know what caught my attention in the global picture? Arthur Hayes is projecting Bitcoin to hit $125,000 by year-end. He's saying all this war spending and defense budgets are pumping liquidity into the markets. Now here's what's fascinating about XRP. It's showing very low correlation with Bitcoin at just 0.1270, and it's actually negatively correlated with traditional markets. So XRP is kind of doing its own thing right now. Oh my goodness, this is huge news for crypto. SEC Chairman Paul Atkins just announced at Bitcoin Las Vegas 2026 that the SEC is embracing digital asset innovation and ending those scary enforcement approaches. Can you believe it? This is the beginning of a new era. Plus, we've got Ripple partnering with K-Bank for blockchain-based remittances in South Korea. The regulatory winds are definitely shifting in our favor. Let's talk about how people are feeling right now. The Fear and Greed Index is at 47, perfectly neutral, not too scared, not too greedy. But here's what's interesting. XRP search trends are only at 26, which means people aren't really talking about it much yet. You know what I think? Sometimes the best opportunities come when nobody's paying attention. XRP has been sitting around $1.41 for 91 consecutive days. That's building some serious pressure for a big move. Now this whale activity is really telling. Out of over 400 transactions, about 14% are whale trades. But get this, in terms of volume, whales are doing almost all the trading. That tells me institutional players are actively repositioning. And the RLUSD stablecoin supply is approaching $1.6 billion with surging institutional demand. CME futures hit $13 billion in Q1. The big money is definitely moving in. Here's where it gets technical, but I'll keep it simple for you. Elliott wave analysis suggests we're in wave C, which is a corrective phase that might be ending soon. The Wyckoff analysis puts us in the markup phase. That's when real upward momentum starts building after a long accumulation period. Those 91 days of sideways movement. That was likely a strong accumulation zone where smart money was loading up. Wait, this AI prediction is really exciting. Short term, we're looking at $1.5050. That's a 7.5% jump with 50.5% probability. Medium term gets better. $1.9119, which is a whopping 36.7% increase with 63.8% confidence. But here's the kicker. Long-term prediction shows $1.9410. That's 38.8% upside with 77.7% probability. See how the AI gets more confident the further out we go? That suggests any current weakness is just temporary. Now let me be honest about the risks, because, well, there are always risks. Macroeconomic uncertainty could shake things up. And that 200-day moving average at $1.8252 might act as strong resistance. We've also got some security concerns with phishing campaigns, and most XRP ETFs are seeing outflows right now. Plus, Bitcoin is struggling at $77,000, which could drag the whole crypto market down if it breaks. Alright, here's my take on all this data. And remember, I'm just looking at what the AI is telling us. This looks like a BIY situation, but with a gradual approach. Here are the numbers you need. Primary entry between $1.38 to $1.40. Secondary entry at $1.32 to $1.35 if we dip further. Set your stop loss at $1.25 to protect yourself. For targets, first target is $1.70. Final target is $1.95. The AI is giving us 77.7% confidence for that long-term move, and with all this regulatory progress and institutional adoption, it's looking pretty promising. And that's it for today's analysis. If this was helpful, please subscribe and hit that like button. See you next time.